guys, so we are here at Ducati showroom finally. Let's see क्या क्या देखने को मिल रहा है अंदर. Wow, आप कहाँ आए ना? वापस भी आ रहे क्या? कैसे है अभी आपका?
Don't believe this guy.
He is the most
He
famous
is
guy in
actually
South.
helper of my Kitakata. And first dose सचिन ने मुझे help किया. Fee pay किया. That's it.
Thank you sir, thank you. आप ले रहे हो क्या finally?
So now we are now getting into Ducati and we are going to take one Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. Just now one famous biker brought Tenor, Kawasaki Tenor. Now he is going to pick up one बंद हो गया वो. अरे हाँ स्ट्रीट फाइटर V4.
फक्त धरून ठेवतो. So guys, I'm here in Ducati Pune. This is Legacy Motors. किसी को भी आना है बाइक देखने के लिए related to Ducati, you are always welcome. Very nice showroom with lot of beautiful bikes. Just I was going through all the bikes. तो आप धीरे-धीरे अभी और bikes के बारे में जानेंगे from the people who are in showroom. There are a lot of bikes you can see here and everywhere. So this is going to be one of the best experience for myself as well as Ketan who is with me here. And what we were just talking about is that almost every bike in Ducati has dual exhaust. If you see this bike here, two exhausts, and every bike almost in Ducati is having dual exhaust. So that is the best thing in Ducati. Okay, so come, we'll have some experience of more bike. Okay. Hi, so I'm Sachin.
Hi, I'm Shantanu.
So here is Shantanu. He is going to tell us lot about bike because मुझसे ज़्यादा expert ये है Ducati के लिए. So let us have from Shantanu. Okay, तो आप बताइए इस बारे में क्या क्या है, what are the good things, beautiful things, and why I should buy this bike, let's say in future.
Supersport 950S. It is the two-cylinder L2N that Ducati has. Same engine as the Monster, but it's a little extra and it's got a handle that is a little higher than the V2. We've got all of the two cylinders that are happening out here, but this is a special one because it goes more for touring plus an attack position. If you want to relax plus race it out on the highway, this is very easy.
So I can also ride this bike in streets, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Not a problem at all.
No, not at all.
So generally people worry about if I buy this kind of bike,
Yeah.
which for me looks also like a super sport,
Yeah.
very aggressive, but if I ride this in city, is it really going to make my pain?
No.
Pain in my back or not?
Not really. It depends on rider to rider.
Okay.
If you have back problems, then maybe it's going to take a stance on you, but it's still got a height like where you can hold your shoulders back.
So
and
pretty
still-
decent height with a good holding position of the
Oh yeah, definitely.
That's great. Okay. Now what's the top speed for this bike?
It's around 220.
220. Wow, guys, 220. But always ride outside the city. Okay, do not ride inside city. Now let's go to the second
safety
one.
gears.
And of course with safety gears because let me tell you, without safety gears it's not at all advisable. Now we go to the next one. This looks like a huge monster. ये बाइक मुझसे भी बड़ा है. अगर मैं इसको ऐसा खड़ा कर दूंगा तो it will look bigger than me. And let me just see what is written here. This is Multistrada V4S. This is one of the famous bike in Ducati. You can see how aggressive and like a big monster it is. You would have seen this is purely adventurous bike. You will love this bike, very powerful, and just see the stance of this bike. Even if you see some foot pegs, they have made a very different design here. This is to give you a very good hold for rider as well as for the pillion. Yes, Shantanu, I would like to have more things from you on this bike, please.
Well, this is a 1150cc, 168 bhp street beast, where you've got 4 modes that you can ride. This is more like a on-road plus off-road bike. It does. We have the alloys on this one. We have the spoke version 2, As you can see, the red one, this is something that you can just sit on and travel the whole country on. There is an adjustable visor. There are modes to it where the rider is comfortably riding with
So I can
luggage.
also adjust the visors in this
Oh
bike.
yeah, definitely.
Very nice.
That's how it goes up.
And how do we bring it down?
then
Very
you have to
nice.
click back on it, and then that's how
So
it's
this
made.
also is comfortable for both the rider, whether short or long height.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Very nice.
It's heavy lifts or standstill, but as you start moving it, the bike carries you, it carries itself ahead. It's a beautiful bike.
इस पे wings भी दिए हुए
Pocket
हैं.
here.
Very nice.
Got a USB charger inside, got enough connections
Wow,
for...
this is something very new for me. I have never seen any of this bike. This is one of the things which I have seen for the first time, guys.
Right.
So you can keep some things here also. Sometime you want to carry something, you can just keep it here. Very good for rain. Okay, when it's raining, it's very good for rain. So this is one of the biggest struggles we riders have. Let's say I am shooting right now with Insta360. I don't want to use it anymore. I will put it here. Just I am giving an example of Insta360, but you can have any other camera which is not having much resistance to rain. You can use this pocket. So very nice idea by Ducati. Okay.
This also has the keyless start version. So
Keyless.
yeah.
No,
So
you are kidding
basically-
with me, right?
No, I'm not. So basically it has, so it's a 50-meter range. If you have the key around you, you can just start the bike from the switch right here and put it back in the pouch.
Very nice.
And what if someday we'll like the key gets lost?
Then
मतलब
you
राइड पे
can
गए और फिर
start- Then you have a code version where I can
Yeah.
set a code and I can start it with that. So
Because-
you start the code, you enter the code and it's inside.
okay, so the code will be with the company, right?
Code was with us.
Yeah.
And that's how we.
So that will be a one-time code or
No, you can
how does it work?
changing it accordingly with your
Okay,
personal,
okay.
It's like a pin code we set for our mobile phone or
Exactly.
something like that.
Correct.
So guys, you don't have to use key. Just put the key here. Bike will start. But only you should have the key, right?
Yeah, that's true.
नहीं तो सचिन भगा के ले जाएगा बाइक.
The red version with the spokes.
Wow. Ducati की बाइक सबसे ब्यूटीफुल है मार्केट में. I can tell you 101%. The most beautiful bike across are Ducatis. What's that? We can check that also. Wow. Can I see those?
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
Let's have Mother take you through it.
Wow, nice.
सचिन ले ले
Huh?
सिटी के लिए.
So for my height, this is very good. I really like the posture also. Very comfortable. And somebody wants to have like office भी जाना है तो ये bike हम ले सकते हो. You'll enjoy super bike वाला pleasure. At the same time, you can ride in street also. Okay. Yeah. So you would like to know more about this? Yep.
803cc, 73 bhp. I'm going to hand over this conversation to my colleague, Varad.
Hi, Varad.
Hi. Nice to meet you, man.
Same here.
So, see, I'll be very honest.
Okay.
Gambler were not my dish.
Okay.
When I saw the Ducati, I thought it was the party.
Before,
yeah.
yeah, correct.
So I never thought of the scramblers that much. When I saw them, when I was joining Ducati, when I saw these bikes, I was like, take these. Why did I take these? Just spending so much to get a premium bike. I would be like,
Scrambler, right?
and then I rode this bike.
Oh, very nice.
Once I rode this bike, it answered all my questions.
That's nice.
Because see, I have a lot of travel to do in the city. So there's some times where I'm taking this bike, I'm riding in the city, and it's beautiful. The
Okay.
clutch, you've got an assist with the clutch.
Very nice.
Very light.
This
On the-
bike has assist on the clutch.
Yeah. So it's very light. So it's very easy to basically use the clutch when you're stuck in traffic. You don't have to see. I used to ride a bike in NC.
Oh.
So you know how the clutches are.
Complete transformation from there to here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can understand.
So I can literally feel the difference. And this bike, it's so small, so agile. It's damn fun to ride.
So maneuver point of view, no problem at all. In the street at all.
Yeah. So you've got a long handlebar. It helps you when you're cruising. But when you're in the city, when you're riding this bike, small gaps that you see, get from A to fastest time possible. You take a step.
So I guess this is like one of the best bikes if you want to ride in Pune.
Yeah.
it's great.
And the thing is, you've got dual sport tires.
Wow.
So these tires, what you can do is, you can go ride it on city streets, you can ride it through any terrain.
Wow.
Pune with the metro going on.
Yeah. Even when I came here, the roads were not very nice.
Yeah.
I think this will definitely fit here in Pune. That's
The thing
great.
is, this is the practical bike.
Yep.
But at the same time, masti matlab jali nahi. You have heard all the fun because
So you don't miss out on the fun of a super bike, even though it's a lightweight, a very good handling posture and everything.
a lot of people have come and asked me how much is this?
Wow. Even to myself, this is surprising to me. It's 800cc.
That's the thing.
And I really like the color combination of this bike. Definitely very nice.
Red looks.
Yeah. So I think Ducati's trademark color is red, right?
Oh yeah.
I can see almost every bike in Ducati is having red color.
Ducati's red is Ducati's red. It's right of fighter.
Yeah. Okay.
आ जाओ यार
No.
मेरी फेवरेट बाइक देखते हैं अभी
Okay.
V4 यार स्ट्रीट फाइटर स्ट्रीट फाइटर
फेवरेट है by the way, just to tell you guys. ये मॉन्स्टर ही लगती है मुझे. आपको मालूम होगा पहले एक Z1000 बाइक आता था, वो और ये दोनों भाई भाई लगते हैं मुझे एक तरीके से. But still this has very aggressive and very beautiful looks overall. Yeah. Wow.
1100cc, 208 bhp, 4-cylinder.
208 bhp on a naked bike man fuck
Shantanu, what is this?
This is the stabilizer. So whenever you do a wheelie.
Are you kidding me? We have a stabilizer in Street Fighter.
Yes, sir. You do.
Can you imagine? This we are not getting in any other brand in any kind of naked or Street Fighters.
Yeah.
And
That
this
is
is. So what is the use of this basically?
So basically, it keeps.
Just to be
you
very
balance.
honest, I don't have it. I have never seen it.
Right.
This is the first time I am seeing on a naked.
Right.
I have seen in super sports.
Right.
But why here? And what's the function?
The function is to give you stability. If you ever like
Wobble.
At least a pop maybe, it pulls you down nicely because your hand is going to go left, right. This keeps you stable.
There's always one question, roaming around internet. They want to know that whether it's a bike problem of wobbling or it's a rider problem. So what's your thought about
It's the
it?
power problem and the power delivery and handling the power.
Okay.
So it's also the rider experience.
Okay.
So if you're not experienced with a higher cc bike and you just jump onto it,
Yeah.
and suddenly if it wheelies or something, it's not going to feel like a 350 again.
Right.
The control of it, the body weight, the weight distribution of it. That is what this stabilizer helps you do.
Very
To
nice.
Get the wheel back down.
Even I'm surprised to see the winglets
Winglets are, yeah. They're
on a
beautiful.
Street Fighter.
Right. Helps aerodynamically, cuts the air, just helps the airflow go through it, ekdami, like for the bike to be stable,
more downforce
more downforce.
So it keeps your bike
Right?
stable from the front side and keeps it a hold on the ground.
Definitely, because your weight distribution is such with the engine in the front. You got the traction control, everything on this bike. You got modes where you can set the engine according to yourself.
And this comes with Corsa.
Oh yeah.
Wow. So guys, you will not get Corsa, I'll tell you, in the same segment by any other manufacturer. This is what I know in market. Ducati is giving Corsa. Just imagine.
And it's also got the Öhlins suspension.
Wow. Just look at it. And this you will get in some of the companies as a limited edition, which is available in Ducati. So you can have it. Just book it, man. And don't forget to call me. I'll have a test ride of this later on. Can we start it?
Sure.
Wow. Wow. This beast. Is it stock exhaust?
Yeah.
Not modified.
fuck it's too loud man
Yeah.
Wow. So any problem with this kind of exhaust on the road?
Not really. It's just lower to the ground, so be careful with the higher bumps that you see on the road.
Okay, so
Take care of that.
but in terms of ground clearance for the breakers and all, we have to be a little bit
A
careful.
bit careful. But if you're putting a customized Acropovic, then no.
Okay, so this complete setup will be out, and you will have a similar single exhaust on both sides.
Both sides, but it's cut in a different way. If you see it, when you put it, I'll definitely try and show you one the next time you come down. We have
Yep.
microchannel.
Sure. Yep, I think that's it. And I think we have last one.
ये तो बच गया डेजर्ट एक्स
ये हो गया ना?
नहीं
I don't know that.
हाँ, this hyper motor lab, right? ये वो वाला बाइक है ना that we heard तामिनी में जब हम लोग रुके थे लास्ट में and a fellow came with
हाँ 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 हाइपर मोटार्ड करेक्ट वही था
वाव गाइस ये गाड़ी जो है ना इसको आप जब चलाओगे ना ट्रस्ट मी आपको पूरा पब्लिक देखेगा आजू बाजू में पीपल विल कीप वॉचिंग यू एक तो पहली बात ये चलता नहीं है रोड पे एंड इफ समबडी इज राइडिंग दिस पीपल विल डेफिनेटली कीप लुकिंग एट यू सो प्लीज बाय दिस
लेट मी शो द फ्रंट
या वाव Guys, have a look at the color combination on the rims also. Can you see this is red and black combination? That means when the bike will roll, you'll have a very good, beauty of this color. And just see the posture of this bike. You cannot, differentiate where is the tank and where is the seat. It's so comfortable. And such a big seat you get, that means you don't have to sit on it all the time. You can also, be in standing position and ride this bike. Pure adventurous as well as for street, I think it's a must buy. One should definitely buy this kind of bike. Wow. Okay.
The signature bikes.
So these are some of the signature
Panigale.
bikes. V4 सबने सुना है, V2 बहुत कम लोगों ने सुना है. I think this is V2, right?
Yeah.
Both are V2?
Yes, both are you.
Wow. ये बाइक्स आपको जनरली सिर्फ मूवीज में देखने के लिए मिलती है बिकॉज मोस्टली हीरोज एक्शन हीरोज विल बी राइडिंग दिस बाइक नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया मोस्टली आउटसाइड आल्सो एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ब्यूटीज एवर मेड बाय इटली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आई कैन सी अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ सस्पेंशन सिस्टम
Oh yeah.
व्हाट द डिफरेंस कंपेयर्ड टू अदर बाइक्स इन मार्केट
Well, the damping is more easier for the technology that Ducati is working with the engine shape.
And I don't see it at the center also or in the right. It is totally very different.
Well, yeah, that is how we are doing it with the other bikes too. But this is a new technology that helps the rider not feel that kind of a shock on the bumps or the road.
You can see guys, this is the suspension I'm talking about.
Again,
This is very different design. You will not see in any kind of bikes. Okay, I think that was a good and nice review of the bikes. So guys,
Steering damper is inside.
there was one more bike. Just have a look at it. Maybe you'll have to wait for it when I come in my next video. I'll show you this bike. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and do visit Legacy Motors Ducati here in Pune. Thank you, Shantanu,
Thank
for
you.
all the idea and description and telling about the beauties. And here is Bharat. Thank you so much. One thing I like also apart from bike is their t-shirts. So very beautiful t-shirt and a lot of beautiful bikes around. Thank you guys.
Thanks.
Let's say bye bye.
bye.
Thank you, man.